How to manage filtered mail settings on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage filtered mail on Gmail PC, easy and fast. First thing, go to Gmail, go to the top right here and click on the settings, go to see all settings. Now all what you have to do is go to inbox right here, and now scroll down until you find the filtered mail option, and right here you can manage your filtered mail easy and fast. You can override filters or don't override filters, and after you finish, click save changes. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end. See you later.